fit in like so. And here we go. Not too bad. We got a decent amount of wind. And we'll see how this windsock does. Coming up on the skate park. See if I can time this right. A little chaotic. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. That's why I hate that place. That's a slipway that needs to be fixed. And removed. Blocked off and let it just be for food trucks when the skate park has events. Green light. Thanks for moving over. Half an inch, even though it's 3 feet, is the law, but whatever. I'm an adult, I can handle it. And I'm gonna pass you again. And I'm gonna run the light. If I get the opportunity. It's hot. Humid. Yucky. I don't like that yet. I agree. That's the kind of shit that sucks. State law. No one gives a fuck about it. Three feet is the law. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Making my way downtown. Now you can pass. Safely. Thank you. And he don't want to let me pass him, so he'll run the stop sign. That's how it works. Rather than using maybe more major streets like Emerson to get through. Taking the side streets. That's interesting.